This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by BobKory Team. Beautiful two-story home located in highly sought-after Cinco Ranch. First level features an open floor plan that includes formal dining room and open living room with high ceilings. Kitchen includes granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Second level includes great-sized secondary bedrooms with a large game room. Enjoy your evenings under your covered patio in the backyard. Zoned to highly acclaimed KISD schools. This house won't last long. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact BobKory Team at 281-394-4608.